The U.S. has hit another record high for COVID cases. Nearly 2.5 million infections reported across the country in the past week. That shatters the previous record of 1.7 million cases set just about a year ago, back in the first week of 2021. Globally, cases are up more than 60% over the previous week, and pediatric cases and hospitalizations are also surging right now. NewsNation correspondent Evan Lambert joining us from D.C. And Evan, what do the numbers show?
Rudabeh, unfortunately, they are record-breaking, but we do want to keep this in the context of children faring much better than adults with COVID-19. We want to give you the latest data for some perspective. This is from the CDC. Now, according to the CDC, 370 children in the U.S. hospitalized with COVID each day last week. That is the highest number all pandemic, and it's up 66% from just 1 week ago. Now, doctors saying this is the result of that fast-moving, highly transmissible Omicron variant. The CDC estimating that that is responsible for 59% of cases last week. There is some good news. It's important to keep in mind that children are just a small percentage of overall the number of people hospitalized with COVID-19. And Children's National Hospital here in Washington saying they aren't seeing cases that are any worse with this wave than they were with the last wave, the Delta variant. Still, many experts saying things could be tough in these few weeks ahead.
We know that respiratory viruses get worse in the week or two after children go back after the holidays. And this even happened with respiratory viruses before COVID. So we know that that's a definite risk. If you can test your children before they go to school, that's great. And I think that that would go a long way to preventing cases.
And earlier this week on Morning in America, Dr. Anthony Fauci driving the point home that much of this is preventable, with most children now being eligible for vaccines.
All you have to do is go to any pediatric hospital right now, virtually anywhere in the country, and you see children there who are suffering, some even dying, who need not be in that situation if they were vaccinated.
And some hopeful news. There are reports that the FDA will soon approve the Pfizer booster shot for children ages 12 to 15. The details on that not yet been released, but we know it is coming soon, according to several reports. Rudabeh?
Evan, thank you.
Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to click on the red subscribe button below so you can get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.